From the newsroom at news.com.au.
Hi, I'm Lexi Cartwright.
And I'm Andrew Bucklow.
And this is the latest from the newsroom. It's Friday the 28th of May.
Melburnians are today enduring their 160th day in lockdown after a snap 7-day circuit breaker was imposed on the state. The number of COVID cases linked to the cluster in Melbourne's north has now reached 26. There are more than 14,000 primary and secondary close contacts who have been identified. As a result, the state's health department has issued an urgent call out to medical and nursing students to bolster its struggling contact tracing team.
Meanwhile, Federal Health Minister Greg Hunt copped a grilling from Leigh Sales last night. The ABC host was outraged when Mr Hunt revealed that 74 nursing homes around Australia are yet to be vaccinated. That's despite the government saying they would have received the jab by March.
In actual numbers, how many facilities does that mean around the country in Australia, aged care facilities, have not had vaccination yet in an actual number?
In Victoria, we have 9 to complete tomorrow. Victoria's actually
What
at
about
almost
nationally?
99%. And around Australia, prior to today, because we haven't had today's figures come in, we had 74 still to go. But today there will have been significant
74
numbers.
still to go. You said on the 16th of February that it would take 6 weeks. We know these are the most vulnerable people in the country based on the deaths data that we saw last year. How can 74 places not have been vaccinated yet?
Go Leigh. Overseas now, and China is not happy with Joe Biden. The US president yesterday ordered US intelligence agencies to report to him within 90 days on whether COVID-19 first emerged in China from an animal source or from a laboratory accident. Beijing has hit back by rejecting the theory the virus may have emerged from a lab and has instead accused the US of peddling conspiracies and politicizing the pandemic.
To sport, it's been revealed former UFC lightweight champion Khabib turned down $127 million to fight Floyd Mayweather. Khabib's manager said the fighter rejected the massive offer because he had told his mum he'd retired and would never fight again, and he didn't want to break his promise.
What a mama's boy. To entertainment, and there was a bit of a bombshell in the Friends reunion which dropped on Binge last night. David Schwimmer and Jennifer Aniston revealed that they actually had romantic feelings for one another when the show first started. Have a listen.
I had a major crush on Jen. I think we both, at some point, we were both crushing hard on each other, but it was like two ships passing because one of us was always in a relationship. So, and we never crossed that boundary. You know, we respected that.
And finally, in royal news, Prince Philip allegedly left a generous amount of money to 3 close staff members in his will. The Duke left behind an estimated $55 million fortune, some of which will be given to his private secretary, his page and his valet. What a legend.
Wonder if Harry and Meghan are getting any of that. That's it from the newsroom. We'll have another update for you in the afternoon.
Your update from news.com.au.